This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up an Echo Dot. First, carefully unbox your device and find the included power adapter. Connect the small end to your Echo Dot, then plug the larger end into a wall outlet. Give it a moment to power on. You will see the light ring illuminate, eventually turning a pulsing orange, which signals it is ready for the next step. This initial power-up is very straightforward, preparing your device for configuration. Next, grab your smartphone or tablet and make sure you have the Amazon Alexa app installed. You can easily find it by searching for Amazon Alexa in your device's respective app store. Once located, download and then open the application. This app is your central hub for controlling your Echo Dot and personalizing its features, so having it ready is a crucial step before proceeding. With the Alexa app open, navigate to the device's icon located at the bottom of the screen. Look for the plus sign icon in the top right corner and tap it, then select Add Device from the options that appear. From there, choose Amazon Echo, and you will be prompted to select your particular Echo Dot model from a list. This step guides the app to correctly identify and communicate with your new device, ensuring a smooth connection. Now, the app will guide you to connect your Echo Dot to your home Wi-Fi network. You might be asked to momentarily switch your phone's Wi-Fi to a network broadcast by your Echo Dot itself, usually named something like Amazon XYZ. Once connected to this temporary network, the app will then prompt you to choose your personal home Wi-Fi network from a list and enter its password. This secure connection enables your Echo Dot to access the internet and respond to your commands.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.